Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Today's collection brings together elegant furniture, artistic animal sculptures, handmade kitchen essentials, and decorative woodworking pieces designed to spark creativity and open new possibilities for woodworking enthusiasts. Every project you see in this presentation combines beauty, practicality, and craftsmanship in ways that can transform simple wood into valuable handcrafted creations. Curved side tables and elegant organic shapes. The first group of projects introduces beautifully curved side tables that combine modern furniture design with natural flowing lines. Unlike traditional square furniture, these curved tables create softness and warmth inside living spaces. Rounded edges, sculpted legs, and layered wood patterns make each table feel artistic while still remaining highly functional for everyday use. These projects are excellent for modern apartments, luxury interiors, hotel lounges, and minimalist homes where organic furniture styles continue growing in popularity. Some curved side tables feature smooth waterfall edges where the tabletop flows seamlessly downward into the legs. Others use circular tops supported by uniquely bent wooden frames that display the beauty of woodworking craftsmanship. The natural wood grain becomes even more attractive when combined with curved structures because the flowing lines emphasize movement and texture throughout the design. These side tables can be made from walnut, oak, ash, teak, or laminated plywood depending on the desired finish and budget. Small workshops can customize dimensions and finishes for clients, making each piece feel exclusive and handmade. Furniture with soft curved forms often attracts buyers who prefer calm, cozy, and luxurious home environments. Curved side tables also create strong opportunities for premium pricing because handcrafted curves require careful shaping, sanding, and finishing. Customers appreciate furniture that looks artistic yet remains practical for holding books, lamps, coffee cups, or decorative plants. In today's market, furniture that blends sculpture and functionality has significant selling power. Curved bird ornaments and decorative sculptures. The next category focuses on curved bird ornaments that transform simple wood into elegant decorative art pieces. Bird sculptures remain popular because they symbolize freedom, peace, beauty, and connection with nature. These ornaments can be displayed on shelves, office desks, coffee tables, or wall-mounted decorative panels. Some designs feature simplified silhouettes with smooth flowing curves, while others include carved wings, elongated necks, and layered feather textures. Minimalist bird ornaments with polished finishes often appeal to modern interior decorators because they introduce artistic warmth without creating visual clutter. Geometric bird sculptures also create a unique balance between nature and modern art. By combining angular cuts with organic inspiration, woodworkers can create striking decorative collections that feel both contemporary and timeless. Small sets of matching birds displayed together often increase visual appeal and customer interest. These bird ornaments are excellent for gift shops, online handmade stores, art fairs, and interior decoration businesses. Smaller sculptures require less material while still offering strong profit potential due to their artistic value. Woodworkers can experiment with contrasting wood tones, resin inlays, burned textures, or painted accents to create signature collections. As decorative woodworking continues gaining popularity worldwide, handcrafted wooden ornaments provide opportunities for creators to develop recognizable artistic styles that customers remember and collect. Handmade utensil sets and wooden kitchen tools. Handmade utensil sets bring craftsmanship into one of the most personal areas of the home, the kitchen. Wooden spoons, spatulas, serving forks, ladles, salad tongs, and butter knives combine beauty with daily usefulness. Unlike mass-produced plastic kitchenware, handmade wooden utensils feel warm, natural, and environmentally friendly. Many customers now prefer sustainable kitchen products made from hardwoods such as maple, cherry, olive wood, or teak because they are durable and visually appealing. Smooth hand-sanded finishes create comfortable handling while preserving the natural grain patterns that make each utensil unique. Some utensil collections focus on rustic farmhouse aesthetics, while others feature modern minimalist forms with elegant thin profiles. Custom engraved handles or matching utensil holders can increase the value of complete kitchenware sets. Wooden utensils also provide excellent beginner woodworking opportunities because smaller projects allow makers to practice shaping, carving, sanding, and finishing techniques without requiring large amounts of material. Despite their simplicity, handcrafted kitchen tools can become highly profitable products when sold as premium artisan collections. Kitchen-focused woodcraft businesses continue expanding because customers increasingly appreciate handmade products that feel healthier, more sustainable, and visually richer than factory-made alternatives. Custom spice racks and functional storage. Custom spice racks combine organization with decorative woodworking design. Modern kitchens benefit greatly from well-designed spice storage systems that maximize space while adding warmth and personality to cooking environments. Some spice rack designs feature wall-mounted floating shelves with elegant curved edges, while others use rotating vertical towers, drawer organizers, or magnetic wood panels. Compact storage systems are especially attractive for smaller homes where organization becomes essential. Woodworkers can customize spice racks according to kitchen themes, cabinet sizes, and customer preferences. Adding engraved labels, contrasting with species, or hidden compartments creates additional uniqueness that helps handcrafted products stand out from factory alternatives. Many buyers appreciate handcrafted kitchen organizers because they combine utility with artistic detail. A carefully designed spice rack can transform an ordinary kitchen wall into an attractive decorative focal point. These projects also offer strong business potential because customers frequently purchase matching kitchen accessories, such as utensil holders, cutting boards, recipe stands, and wooden trays. Today's collection of woodworking inspirations demonstrates how creativity and craftsmanship can transform simple wood into valuable artistic creations. From curved side tables and handcrafted stools to geometric animal sculptures, decorative boxes, kitchenware, and elegant ornaments, every project reflects the endless possibilities within woodworking design. Whether your goal is building a home workshop, developing a handmade furniture business, selling artisan decor online, or simply enjoying woodworking as a creative passion, these ideas prove that even small projects can become meaningful and profitable creations. The beauty of woodworking lies not only in the finished product, but also in the process of shaping raw materials into objects that bring warmth, usefulness, and personality into everyday life. Many successful woodcraft businesses begin with simple handmade projects before expanding into larger collections and custom commissions. Consistency, creativity, careful finishing, and attention to detail are often the qualities that separate ordinary products from memorable handcrafted pieces. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.